Hi, welcome to Chantal Tessier, the travel agent next door. So today we are going to talk about something that I ordered online that I just discovered last week, actually, or a few weeks ago. A girlfriend of mine had something they're called packing cubes. So this is a packing cube. So this is intended to compact your packing. So I bought a multi-pack, I think it's a 3-pack here. I'm going to take the smallest one here and I'm just going to test it out. I like the idea. I'm a big fan of traveling with carry-ons only. I don't like paying the extra baggage fee, and I don't like waiting for your luggage, and I don't like losing my luggage, which happened to me just recently. Not fun. So this, I am definitely going to give it a try for my next backpacking trip coming up with my daughter. Looking forward to that. So in here I've got 10 t-shirts and a pair of shorts, which I'm going to squish in here, and I just grabbed whatever there just to see how it all fits in, but I like it. So I've got about 11 pieces of clothing in here. Yeah, that would easily fit into a backpack, and really, I suppose I could even squish it even more, get more stuff in here. So I'm gonna give these packing cubes a big thumbs up for the backpackers, or actually just to organize your travel if you wanna get like 3 or 4 of these and then organize your stuff. I like it. Packing cubes.